Hey, DKI, thank you for joining us. It's Take 5 time again. I'm Ken Copeland, Director of Business Development with DKI Pro Supply, and today we're honored to have with us Aaron Provencal, President of 5-Star Restoration and Construction in Gold River, California, up near Sacramento. How are you doing today, Aaron?
Doing very well, Ken.
Thank you for joining us. Thank you for joining. It's almost like deja vu, like I've lived this before. But anyway, we are speaking with Andrew Willis, VP of Nero Global Tracking. How are you doing today, Andrew?
I'm great. Thanks, Ken.
Good. Hey, so for our members that are not familiar with Nero Global Tracking, can you tell us what you guys do and what your tracking equipment is all about? What the tracking is all about?
Yeah, for sure. So Nero Global Tracking is very proud to be helping people track their vehicles for over 20 years now. And we've developed a unique relationship within the restoration industry where we're helping restoration professionals also now track their pieces of equipment like dehumidifiers and fans, things that are key to really doing a good job.
And that's awesome too, because it also helps with the billing aspect of it. So it kind of makes the whole process a little more efficient. So how are you different from others in the marketplace?
So our key differentiator, and this is a crowded space, but our key differentiator is the fact that we don't require our workforce to do any scanning of the equipment. I call it auto-magically scanning equipment. It really just happens. So we can trace a piece of equipment from your warehouse into one of your vehicles and onto a job site, and then follow the reverse process as well, without actually having to scan a barcode, scan an RFID tag, anything like that. It just all happens automatically.
That's fantastic, and it seems like a pretty big time saver as well. Aaron, so why did you choose Nero? I think you were the one who actually brought them to my attention when I was looking for a GPS company. So what made you choose Nero Global Tracking?
Well, after talking with Andrew, it's kind of the best options out there as far as equipment tracking. Kind of takes the human element out of it, and like Andrew was saying, you don't have to scan anything, or it's just all automatic. So that's what
awesome.
made us go with Andrew.
Awesome. So what actually happens once you onboard somebody, Andrew? What's the whole process look like?
So it's nice and straightforward. There is a little bit of homework for our clients to do, but what we'll do is we'll process your order and we'll ship all of your equipment to you. If you do need some installation expertise for installing what we call a black box into your vehicles, we can put you in contact with somebody that's trusted and passed the Nero standard in your local area. That deals with the GPS element and the automatic scanning of your equipment. And then what you'll have is you'll have some of your team that are in the warehouse that are maybe cleaning your equipment, doing maintenance, apply our very small Bluetooth low energy tags to a piece of equipment and give them a unique name in our system. So it might be dehumidifier 123. And once that's done, as soon as they're moving around your network of warehouses and vehicles and onto job sites, we'll start tracking the unique identifier of that Bluetooth tag to a piece of your equipment and show you that data on a map and on a series of reports in our online portal or cell phone apps.
Fantastic. So, talking about equipment tracking, how long? I know it's not. There's no power behind it. So, how long do the batteries last? What can a member expect from that?
So a battery will last up to 2 years in optimal conditions. So we do ask people to take that with some caution. If you're in extreme colds, you might see that the battery lasts a little bit less. But the battery is user replaceable and it replaces from the front of the tag. So once you purchase the tags from Nero, they will give you a lot of years of usage out of them. And actually, Aaron was one of the key members in testing the system from day one. And he's actually been with us through to the latest generation tag that we have today, which is now supporting a big number of DKI members.
Very cool. So, Aaron, what's it like working with Nero? Are they a good company to work with?
Pretty easy to work with. Yeah, I mean, they got a great support team, so they're always there and quick to respond if there's any issues or anything that comes up.
Very cool. And you have and I've seen the dashboard, and I know this is kind of going off task a little bit, but I've seen the dashboard and it looks pretty cool. Like it's got everything in one place. So you can go ahead and see where your vehicles are. You can see where all the equipment's at. Has it helped you to be more efficient in running your business?
Yeah, I mean, it's always nice to know where your equipment is, and if you get left behind somewhere, then you're able to see how many days it's been out at a job site, and kind of you can pull up a whole list and sort it however you want to sort it. So
Fantastic. So I'm assuming then you would recommend this to other DKI members as well.
oh, definitely, yes.
Very good. So Andrew, is there anything else that you want to add?
Yeah, I'd just say if you're on the fence about tracking equipment, give us a call. Let's have a chat. What I want to do for the DKI members is almost act as an educator, more so than a salesperson, because there's a few advantages of tracking your equipment effectively. You're able to do more jobs with less equipment. If you can slash your rental bill, perhaps by using the equipment that you have and then turning that into doing even more jobs, you're bringing more cash in at the end of the month. And I think this can really drive people's business to the next level, and we'll grow with you. And I think we can make everybody really successful.
Awesome. And we see you guys as a great partner. We will have Andrew's contact information at the end of this video. For all you DKI members, if this is not part of what you do, if this is not your part of the business, please forward it on to your project managers or whoever's in charge of your fleet and of your equipment. Because like I say, Nero is a great company to work with, and Aaron can attest to that. So thank you guys very much. Have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.
Thanks, Kim.
Thanks. Take care.